There are many ways to configure and use Checkbook for iPhone and iPod Touch. After this tutorial, you will be ready to start recording transactions into Checkbook. When you first start Checkbook, you will have one account, the My Checking account, and it will be within one group, Checkbook Group. You can configure Checkbook to have as many accounts as you want, such as checking and savings accounts, and even credit cards. Groups allow you to logically bundle a set of accounts together. For example, you can have personal accounts and business accounts within different groups. We will begin by customizing the account and group name. To configure the group name, go to the Options tab and tap the Checkbook Group's settings. To modify the name of our current group, just tap it and rename it to your liking. Now, go back to the Register tab and press the Edit button in the top left corner. This will allow you to modify the account. To do so, simply tap the account and rename it. Once you are finished, press the Done button in the Accounts list. The next thing you will want to do is set up your opening balance. To do this, open the account by tapping it. This will bring you to the transaction register for that account. Here we have no transactions and a balance of 0, so we must define an opening balance. To do this, you press the plus button in the top right corner. Although there are several options to configure a transaction, the minimum needed is the description and an amount. To configure the description, tap the blue arrow. Type in opening balance. To configure the amount, tap the blue arrow and enter your opening balance amount. Lastly, we must specify the transaction as a deposit so that it will show up as a positive amount in the transaction register. Finally, save the transaction. You will see that the opening balance transaction is now listed in the register. You can also reconcile this transaction since you know those are the funds available in your account. And that's it. Now you are ready to start recording transactions. To further customize Checkbook, feel free to play around with settings so that it functions exactly how you like. For other video tutorials, visit www.checkbookiPhoneapp.com.